Go. No, you gotta put it straight. Roll it to me. Alright, go this way. That works too. Roll it straight. Is that cool, Alex? Get on your chair. Okay, you ready? Here it comes.
Okay, ready? Go. Do it again.
Yeah, do it again. Whoa! Crazy hula hooping skills.
Mom!
One more time. Yeah!
Go. Nice.